How to access eTrade Securities Account. To access your eTrade Securities account, follow these steps. Open your browser and visit www.etrade.com to access the login page directly. Locate the Log On button at the top right corner of the website and click it to proceed further. Enter your user ID and password in the respective fields provided on the login page accurately. If two-factor authentication is enabled, enter the code sent to your phone or email for verification. Click the Log On button after entering your credentials to gain access to your account dashboard. Explore your account details, manage investments, or perform trades using the navigation menu. Forgot credentials? Click Forgot User ID or Forgot Password and follow recovery instructions. Call eTrade customer service at 1-800-387-2331 if you experience login or access-related issues. Thanks for watching.